Altcoins are pumping again. Bitcoin is pumping again, guys. But one analyst suggests that we're up for a run of about 27,000% in altcoins. Now, that's a lot of money. If that becomes true, it's about $150 trillion industry, which I doubt will happen. However, we're going to look at the article. We're also going to look at a few graphs and see if this is actually possible. And then we're just going to have a general view of the news. It is 10 p.m. I want to go to bed. However, I did see these articles and I said, let me share this with you guys so we don't miss out on the gains. If this is going to happen, and we all know in cryptocurrency, a day or two, if you're too late, you're too late. Some coins might just pump and you're going to lose out on some profits. Guys, hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, the channel is brand new. Like, subscribe, and also hit that little bell notification. And then also you can follow me on Twitter, brand new Twitter account. There we go, JP Crypto 2 O's. Right, having a look at the market cap now, we can see that Bitcoin is down to 47% market cap, Ether holding 16.4%. And it says that the global crypto market is up to 2.3 trillion, up about 4.3% in the last day, which is great. Bitcoin up about 7.3% in the last 7 days. Ethereum doing really well, 30% in the last 7 days. Binance coin 25%. This Binance coin is just surprising us. BNB, but good company for Binance, right? Binance is a really good company. Cardano slowly creeping up back to that $1.50 range. Polkadot also 14%, great stuff. Chainlink 80%, really good gains here, guys. 13%, not bad at all. VeChain also slowly creeping up to that 26 cents where it was. Solana 3%. Really made a good video on Solana last night. Just a bit of info for you guys if you don't have Solana on your radar. Aave 30% for Aave, fantastic. Almost the same, well, exactly the same as Ethereum about it. Guys, yeah, just a general overview of the market. The market is looking healthy. Just remember, nothing goes up forever. As you go along, scale out, take a bit of profits, you know, either put it back into Bitcoin or maybe hold it as USDT, and then whenever the market corrects again, you just buy the dip again. All right, so just remember to take profits because nothing goes up forever. Yeah, so this is where we're setting the market cap at the moment. You can see a nice uptrend, very, very healthy. We had this correction of about, I think it was about 25% or so, all the way down there, up down, about 18, let's call it 20% correction, which is very, very healthy. It looks like we can say we are out of the woods. Can we? Yeah, you can see it is finding itself in this wedge, and this wedge is just becoming bigger and bigger, so we can expect maybe a pump to the upside before we see her coming down again, you know. A pump probably to about there, somewhere there. That'll put the market cap at roughly about 2.8 trillion. Let's see. I believe this is possible in the immediate short term. So the first article I found, guys, is this one over here. Altcoins just repeated a move that could launch them 27,000% higher in 2021. The altcoin market cap has flipped its previous cycle high to support, and and the last time that happened, it gained 27,623% in a year. Altcoins have delivered huge gains this year, but if they do repeat their 2017 moves, holders may be looking at an insane 27,000% moonshot. It carries on by saying in a tweet on May 3rd, Rect Capital noted that at the start of 2017, the market capitalization of altcoins flipped its previous cycle highs to support. That high had come in late 2013, and as a new floor level, it launched the market cap to a peak no less than 27,000% above it. All it took was a single year, and Rect Capital suggests that although almost unmanageable, the same thing could happen by the end of 2021. In the past 2 months alone, altcoins market cap is up 119% after flipping the same 2017 peak to support. So if we do see this pump of 27,000% in the next few months, that'll put the market cap at about $150 trillion. Now, that sounds a bit too much in my books. However, I will be happy with 20 trillion. Really happy with 20 trillion. I think all of us will be happy with that. Take some gains. They carry on here by saying Bitcoin is up 11%, Ethereum is up 28% last week, and they just carry on there. Now, this is where I found this graph, guys. Now, this graph, it basically depicts where the crypto total market cap, excluding BTC, is standing. So you can see in 2014 sitting at about 30 million, and as it goes up, the first phase 2017 or touching 17, it just rocketed up to about 300 and let's call it 80 billion, came back down to about 38 billion, and now we're kind of finding ourselves at $1.1 trillion. You can see that green mark, $1.1 trillion. They do have a little green bubble there saying in December of 2021 we could expect to sit at about $20 trillion, and that'll be a huge gain for us all. I'll be happy with $20 trillion, to be honest. So my strategy for the next few months, I'm still holding Bitcoin. I still believe in Bitcoin. I don't think I'll scale out of Bitcoin completely. However, I do have some really good altcoins in my portfolio. Some risky ones, but not too risky. I have taken profits out of all the risky ones, the smaller ones, and put it into higher cap altcoins just to ride this wave in projects that I really believe in, and I think that they have a user case. So I suggest you do the same. Invest in projects that you really believe in, you understand them, and that can be adopted in the world and actually solving real world problems. That's my suggestion, and also what I've done. Another article, alt season indicator flip to Bitcoin, even as rally and Polygon surges. I'll just link this in the description below. You can just have a read if you want to. They're just basically saying that with their indicators, and the analysts saw that there's a flip from high cap altcoins taking profit and now putting that back into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin could experience a nice pump to the upside, and then altcoins might suffer a bit. But you can just have a read through that. And then this is something I found, and I think this we all can relate to this, is a question that I think we've all asked: how do I spend my crypto? My crypto gains, I've made some money, and can I buy groceries with this? Can I pay my gas? Can I pay my electricity? Can I take my family out for an evening dinner? So, and the answer is yes, you can. You can definitely spend your crypto gains on everyday things. And let's go through this. Got crypto. Here are 3 debit cards that let you spend your stack. Crypto debit cards are growing in popularity as holders look for effortless ways to spend their assets. For now, the most widely accepted way to use cryptocurrencies for direct payments in everyday life is through the use of crypto debit cards, which allow users to convert their crypto holdings into US dollars. They essentially work in the same way that prepaid debit does. Carries on here by saying 3 of the debit cards with a track record of success and attractive rewards are BitPay, Crypto.com, and Nexo cards. Now they just carry on. So this is very specific to person, what kind of rewards you want, where you are in the world. So I'm going to link this in the description below as well. So if you're interested, you can just go down and just have a read, and then just see if this is what you want to do. You know, I can tell you now, in my life, I do have a Binance debit card. I'm yet to use it. I've never really used it. However, the way that I would cash out my crypto is either through peer-to-peer. So I'll just ask one of my mates, hey, you want to buy some USDT or for US dollars, or for South African rands or dirhams or whatever currency I want, and we'll just do a simple exchange like that. The other way is you can just have a debit card and just spend your crypto like that. I think that's a great way as well. And then the other way is some exchanges do transfer back from crypto, going to USDT, sell to US dollars, and then they transfer that back to your bank account. I think it's just all dependent on where you are in the world and how you want to spend your crypto. Also have a look at the fees, and also the time it's going to take for your exchange to transfer the money into your bank account. Now I'll link this one in the description as well. This is just from the Coin Bureau, the top 7 compared side by side, and like I said, it's all very specific to where you are and what you want in a crypto card or a debit card. Most of these cards are supported by either MasterCard or Visa, and you can just go have a read through this, and yeah, just order yourself one, and I'm pretty sure that you'll find value in some of these cards, definitely. And then lastly, I'll also link this one in the description. It's quite of a nice side-by-side review of the cards. For example, this first one, I opened it up and it looks like English and German, so this might be a European one. And then if you want to have the Binance card, and you just open that, it's going to probably take us to the Binance, Binance website. Just log in, and then you can just go have a read and see what the Binance card is like. But yeah, you can see if it's MasterCard or Visa. There's some fees and then some ratings, some general ratings. Crypto.com is there as well. Right guys, that's it from me tonight. Quick little video just to keep you updated on what's happening in the crypto market. We answered a few questions, and also a very important question: how do I spend my crypto? And I hope that the information helped. Guys, thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, like, and also hit that bell notification. Add me on Twitter. And if you don't have a trading account, in the link below you can find a Binance and a Bybit link, and the Bybit will give you $1,000 worth of bonuses when you sign up, and also the Binance link will give you a discount on all your fees. Guys, have a great evening. I'll see you guys again. Cheers.